Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗵𝗿 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price after a trendline breakdown witnessed an upside pullback towards its key resistance at $2465 level but failed to breach, indicate short-term trend is bearish. However, key support hold at $2430 level and break below can drag the price further down till 2450 and 2375 level in near term. MCX gold price has formed doji candlestick pattern on the upside, witnessing key resistance at 70,650 level and downside key support at 69,700 level, and break below can witness downside target till 68,500 and 67,800 level in near term. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.